I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today we are making puff pastry pinwheels with cream cheese filling. I know you're going to love them.
Yeah, pinwheels are a traditional Danish pastry, but you've used some substitutions today for this.
To make the filling for our pinwheels, we're using Kite Hill non-dairy cream cheese, sugar, lemon juice, vanilla, some non-dairy silk yogurt, and we may need some flour, we may not. We're also going to be using the puff pastry we previously made. Please check out our website, 2 cooks, 4 allergies for the recipe. For our pinwheel filling, I'm just going to mix all these ingredients together. I'm saving the flour in case we need to thicken this. Now I'm ready to roll out the dough. Eileen's going to put the filling in the pinwheels, and I'm going to cut the shape. I'm cutting diagonal in to where the filling is, but not touching the filling. And then I'm going to fold them over. I'm going to add some aquafaba to make the broth. Oh, do you have any of that sugar cinnamon roll? That would be delicious on these. Eileen, are you ready to try your puff pastry pinwheel?
I am. Let's try it. I like the cinnamon sugar topping. That was a good idea, Cheri.
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.